I hate wrong and right pleases me through and through. I blame evil and I praise the good with all my might. I show joy and I hide grief from view. And I am a companion of good faith and right, for she is with me and I with her am true. For this I have grief and also pleasure, and grow angry and call myself again, and have love and ill will in equal measure, with one who does me neither ill nor good, it is plain. For this I love in nothing and hate in part. This man of Ammon, for in part he does what is good, and in part he flays and shears with wicked art. And for this I cannot keep myself from speech, and saying of that man there from over yonder, that God should strike him down as I beseech, just as he strikes down others and should plunder him, and that he should find such mercies reach as those whom he destroys find in their wonder. For he destroys them, I know not why nor where they flee. If a man could see the heart and read it clear, of the wicked rich man base and full of wrong, he would see so much of wretched wealth appear. It would give him fear and terror, great and strong. So I wish, since no man sees the wicked will that is desirous hidden in its throng, that the wickedness he carries in him still were written out upon his forehead all along. A wicked rich man of great power and pride, who dresses well and eats and takes his ease, and will not help others on any side. He is like the rich man whom all retell who sees, and ate at will and wore the finest things with pride, and gave no portion of his meal in peace. He descended into hell deep and wide. The two roads that a man may take, I will make you understand, both true and feigned. One does evil, the other good for good's own sake. One goes downward, the other